Buyers find homes firstly online and then eventually will drive by and then maybe call the realtor. Like most things, first impression can make a sale. Hi, I'm Michael Tudorie, agent to Remax Select Properties in Vancouver. I'm here to give you the best tips on making first impression your best impressions. What is the buyer wondering? How does the home look like from outside? What's their first impression? Where does it sit on the street? What does the rest of the streets look like? A well-landscaped property can improve your chances of selling by as much as 40%. Landscape can be flowers, trees, and a tidy walkway with outdoor lighting. Declutter the front yard. Remove bikes, kids' toys, or anything else that is personal. Tip number 2, paint. A fresh coat of paint in a contemporary and complementary paint color will add dollars to your final selling price. This will increase the chances of selling by as much as 50%. I'm happy to work with you to select the right colors to enhance your existing hardwood floors, your cabinets, or your ceramic. Buyers are very particular these days. The right paint colors can be the advantage when a buyer is choosing between property A and property B. My third tip, remove all your personal items and valuables. Of course, valuables can be stolen, but personal items can cause buyers not to see the property, and instead they see the family that has called this place home. We want buyers to see themselves in the space and not you. I have many more quick tips that can add lots of dollars to the final selling price of your property. So please call me. Get experience working for you.